Hey guys, my name is Christine Quinn and I'm so excited to be here today. I am from Selling Sunset and today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous property at 9308 Reed Crest in Beverly Hills. Today we're going to be seeing gorgeous views, plush interior decoration, original 1922 tiles and wood beam ceilings, gorgeous light, and just overall a really charming home. So I'm excited. Let's go take a look. All right, so this living room I absolutely love. You have gorgeous original windows from 1922, floor to ceiling light, just this gorgeous abundance of light flowing through. I can't get enough of it. I just want to sit here every morning. Also, the wood beams are original as well, and it just makes the home feel cozy and nice, and it's kind of rare, and I love it. So. Behind the living room, there's a really great space for entertaining your guests if you want to continue to take the party upstairs. You have a formal seating area indoor and outside as well. So you can barbecue, serve drinks to your guests. Also goes to the right as well. So you see another outdoor terrace overlooking the front yard. So this property really is all encompassing that entertainment, charming feel of old Hollywood. And also, I love food because I'm pregnant, and that reminds me that this kitchen is amazing, and I want to show you guys. We are in my favorite spot in the whole entire house, and this is something that is done really well. They have this huge island for cooking, dual sinks, which I absolutely love, and chef-grade Thermador appliances. As you can tell, they've updated it with the travertine stone, but still kept it this original 1922 feel, which I really love. It's hard to find homes that are Spanish revivals, that are modern and updated and done well, and this home has just done a fantastic job of that. Right now we are in the kids' room, which is absolutely adorable. What they did is they converted this into a little office space where the kids can study. There's 2 separate desks in addition to the 2 beds, and I love all the light that's pouring in here. It's just so cute. We are in the primary suite right now, and the thing that I absolutely love about this property, and the suite especially, is that they kept the original tiles from 1922, and I just think it's so cool. It once again adds to this Hollywood charm of the property. So this is a nice little bonus room, which I love. This is a sitting area. It's great for reading a book, having your coffee, and who doesn't love to open up these beautiful French doors and take in the California breeze and this amazing weather that we have to offer. All right, well, that's all we have time for today, but thank you so much for joining us. I hope you love this beautiful property as much as I did. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?